If you're having problems with your PS Vita's battery, so maybe the percentage is displaying incorrect, maybe it's like restarting, maybe there's just something wrong with it, there is actually a way you can fix it without having to take apart your PS Vita and replace it or disconnect it or anything like that. So this is basically a BatteryFixer VPK. It's very simple. You install the VPK, you run it, and it will disconnect and reconnect your battery, fixing any errors. So if you guys would like to get this, maybe it's a good idea just to try it. Even if you're not sure if there's any problems, it will fix them anyway. So we're just going to go ahead, we're going to go and start up Vita Shell. We need to connect our PS Vita to our PC, so we're going to just press select, we're going to go and connect it, and I will show you guys what to do next.
So once you guys are over on your computer, there will be a link to the BatteryFixer in the description of this video. So the last version of the BatteryFixer wasn't actually a like VPK, it was actually a plugin. So this VPK just makes it a lot easier for us. And it's basically a small application that fixes most of the PS Vita's battery related problems. So it could be like restarting or showing the wrong percentage or something like that. There's loads of like different things this can fix. It basically like disconnects the battery and then reconnects it. It's the same as taking it out via the hardware method, but obviously this one is just a lot easier. So what you want to do is scroll down, we're just going to click on download VPK, and it's just going to download the BatteryFixer VPK file for us. So once we've got this, we can go to our downloads folder and just find the VPK in there. So obviously we just want to put this on our PS Vita, so we're just going to drag and drop this onto the root, and then there you go. That is it for the PC. We can now go back onto our PS Vita, we can install it, and we can fix any issues with the battery.
Alright guys, so now we can install our VPK file, so let's just go and find it. Mine was on my UXO, and here it is, batteryfixer.vpk. So let's just install this. Now this is a very small file, so it's going to install in about 2 seconds, and once it's done, we can actually just close out of Vita Shell. So let's just close out of here, let's go and find it on our home screen. My battery is about to run out. Right now it's on 14%, but as soon as we open up the BatteryFixer, it will actually disconnect the battery, remount it, and reboot our PS Vita. So let's press X to go open it. It's going to say resetting the battery chip in 5 seconds. So all we have to do is wait. There is some confidential information if you wish to read it, but it does go pretty quick, so you might want to take a picture or something like that. And basically it's going to reset the battery, it's going to turn off our PS Vita, and just wait maybe about 4 or 5 seconds. It doesn't really take too long, and then we can just go and power it back on. Okay, so I had to charge it up a little, but it's finally turning on. I guess the 15% wasn't actually right. Let's see what it's on now. I have charged it up a little. Oh, the first thing we have to do, this will know, you'll know if it works if you have to put in the date and time. So today is the 23rd. I'm going to have to check actually, so I'll be right back. Okay, so that is the correct date and time currently, so I'm just going to press X on OK, and there you go, that is it. The battery has been remounted, and if there are any issues with it, it would have been fixed. You will need to launch your custom firmware again, unless it's permanent, then it will be fine. For me, mine isn't permanent. I'm just going to launch this again very quickly, and you guys will be able to see that there's basically nothing wrong with it. We're now back on the home screen, and everything should work perfectly fine. You know, we can start up Vita Shell and all of that kind of stuff, and I think the battery percentage just loaded in. So what battery percentage am I on? 20%, 21%. So there you go, that would have fixed any issues that the battery had previously. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.